Welcome back to the channel. So this race was actually highly requested between the 2021 Mazda 3 Turbo hatchback versus the Mazda 6 Turbo. We're gonna try to do a dig, a 20 and a 40 roll to see the differences. But yeah, I'm gonna be riding in the Mazda 3 Turbo, and just looking at it, it looks really good. This is the highest trim, so you can see like some little details. The wheels are black, has the side skirts, the front lip. It also has the red interior. It looks really good with this gray, but I'm really excited to see how it feels in the passenger and to see how it accelerates. But let's get into that. Dude, look at this freaking display, man. The bird's eye view and the backup camera, they look so good. Oh man, this thing's gripping. This thing is gripping. Oh, bye-bye, Justin. Oh, he's hanging in there. Oh man, the 3 picks up, man. The 3 picks up. All right, so we're gonna try to launch this car from a dig because he wants to try it out and see if there's any difference. I'm sure there will be, but let's just see how it goes. All right, so take 2 on the dig. Hopefully this one's better. Get ready, Justin. Oh, this one's close. This one's close. Come on. Take 3 on the dig. He said he hesitated, so here's the redemption. Go! Oh shoot! Oh, that got him. That launch makes a huge difference. Take 4 of the dig because they. Yeah. Come on, Justin! Come on, Justin! So the results of the races was that they're really close, but the fact that the 3 is all-wheel drive and lighter, it usually takes the 6 from a dig by a good margin. I want to say 1 car or 1.5 cars, but they're very, very similar, especially because they both have the same engine. But in terms of sheer acceleration, the Mazda 3 definitely has it because of the all-wheel drive, like I said. But hopefully you guys like that video.